If you're trying to get into the Make Money Online world and you want to make money online with CPA offers, then CPAGRIP is a great platform to start because you don't need to get approved and you can join from anywhere in the world. So we'll go to my computer and I'll show you all around CPAGRIP. Please do leave a like and make sure you do subscribe if it does help you out. Here we are on the same CPAGRIP page. Now what you can go and do, you can go and click on register in the top right hand corner, and that will take you to this sign up page here. So go ahead and scroll down and we can sign up for free. So all you need to do is enter in your first name, your last name. You can see here you don't need a company and you don't need a website. Enter in your address, your postcode, and you do need a Skype account for this to work. So just go ahead and enter in your Skype account, and if you need to contact someone, you'll do it through Skype. Again, you don't need to get approved to join CPAGRIP. Then under publisher type, you want to choose which best describes you. So do you have a website? Do you have an email list? Do you plan to promote via search or other methods? If it's other, just click other, it doesn't matter. Then go ahead and choose your time zone, agree to the terms and conditions, and then register. And you'll then have your account, which you can then log into. After you've logged into your CPAGRIP dashboard, you'll see something that looks like this. So on the left here, you've got the public chat. Now these are real people talking about different methods that they're using, and they're also kind of showing how much money they've made. So this person's earned $277 in the last 7 days. So you can go ahead and talk in here. To the right here, you've got your stats. It's going to show you how many views you've got, how many clicks on your offers, and then how many leads and how much money that's made you. And then you've got your hourly stats here. Then if we scroll down the page, we've got recently added offers and other top performing offers. Now there are a couple of ways that you can make money with CPAGRIP and a couple of different monetization methods that they have. So first, if you go to offer tools and click on my offers, you can see a list of all of these individual offers. So I'm in the UK, so currently I'm seeing the offers for the UK, but you can go and filter this and you can choose all countries, or maybe you just want United States offers. For the video, I'll keep it on the UK. Then you can go to categories and you can see you've got download, mobile, pin submit, free surveys, you've got email, submit offers, and so on. And you've also got some stats here in a search bar. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see the type of offer. So it's this one here, the top one is a mobile offer, and someone needs to install an app. That app would be crypto.com, and if they install the app, you get paid out $1.50. You can see that the network performance is 94%. The conversion rate is 17%. So 17% of people who go ahead and click on this offer will download the app, meaning you'll get paid $1.50. And that's what CPA marketing is about, really. It's about sending traffic to an offer and then having a percentage of that offer convert and doing the action. So the cost per action, which means you'll get paid. So if we go ahead and take a look at a desktop offer here, because I'm on desktop, you can see we've got a get £500 to spend at Deliveroo. This is a desktop offer. It's an email submit offer, which means the person that we're sending to this offer only has to enter in their email. So go ahead and click on the offer. It will load up this page here, and you can then choose a domain. Go ahead and copy the link, and now I'm just going to open it in a new tab and then click paste. And it should take me to that Deliveroo offer. So here it is. So when someone comes to this page, they can then answer this quiz. So what's your favorite food? Mine is pizza. Do you shop online often? Yes, I do. And then if I was to fill out this form here, I would then get paid for this offer, and I would get paid $1.71. So if you send your traffic to this offer and they fill out the form and click on enter, you would earn $1.71 for every person that does so. So that's quite powerful, right? And you can send a lot of traffic which will convert, meaning you'll make quite a bit of money with this offer. Now, if you go ahead and copy this link, you can see that it's not exactly the best link ever. So if you wanted to send traffic to this link and get more people to go ahead and click on it, I would recommend you go and shorten the link. Now to shorten it, I will go to a website called bit.ly.com, and bit.ly is a free URL shortener. So we can go ahead and enter in our link here. So if we scroll down, we can go ahead and paste in our long link and then go ahead and shorten it here. And you can see we've now got a shortened link. If I go ahead and paste it up here, you can see here it is, and it should redirect us to the offer. So here we go, it redirects us to the Deliveroo offer. So that's just one way that you can promote offers on CPAGRIP. Another way that they have, if you go to monetization tools in the left here, then you go to URL/file lockers. This one is one of my favorite ways to promote. I've promoted some offers in the past using this method. If you then go to create a new URL locker, agree to the terms and then click continue, you can actually lock a file or a URL. So say if you have a piece of content or a file or a program or a course or something that you just want to lock, you can lock it behind some surveys. So for your traffic to access that file, they would have to then do a survey. If you go to templates here, you can choose an already made template. So maybe we want this one here. You can then go to general and customize this. So let's say I have a workout program, which I'm going to lock behind some surveys. So we've got workout program. You can change the button, begin download. I'm going to change this to workout program.zip. And you can also change all of this text as well. Now, after someone clicks on begin download, it will open some offers, which they can then complete. And when they do, they will then get whatever file you're locking. Now, you will go ahead and put the link to that file here. So say we were locking a download, we will put the download link here. And after your traffic completes this survey, they will then get redirected to your locked URL. And if we click on show offers here, it will automatically give your traffic the best offers, which are the best converting. So those are two ways that you can make money with CPAGRIP. CPAGRIP's really good if you're trying to make money as a beginner and just getting into CPA marketing. You can see all of these people are making good money with CPAGRIP. Go ahead and try it out. Please do subscribe, leave a like and comment down below if you've got any questions.